Discord has finally done it. They've given us discounts on Discord Nitro, but they've also done more to make us happy, like allowing you to log into banned accounts. But as with every good Discord feature, Discord has to do other things to make people upset. So first, let's start off with the reason why you even clicked on this video. Discord Nitro discounts. Now, you might be thinking if you go to your Nitro tab and you give the gift of Nitro, or you buy Discord Nitro, you might get a 50% discount, which will then entice you to subscribe to Discord Nitro, sending away your parents' retirement to Discord. But actually, if you open up the Discord Nitro tab, you'll notice this is the same full price. So where does this discount apply? Well, it's not when you subscribe to Nitro, it's actually when you decide to unsubscribe from Nitro. Because in my Nitro subscriptions, if I click on cancel, you will get this nice, beautiful pop-up saying that before canceling, enjoy some percentage off your Nitro subscription for 1 month. And by the way, super massive shout out to the Discord data mining breadman for teaching me how to actually show this on my screen, because without his help, we'd be looking at like 10 pixel screenshots. But this tactic of providing a discount is kind of like a cell phone company. If you say to your cell phone company, I'm going to cancel, they are going to roll out the red carpet for you and treat you like a king. Oh, yes, my king, we will stop ripping you off for $100 a month for your phone plan, and instead, we'll rip you off for $95 a month. And if you're like any of my grandparents, then you'll start yelling at them, but this is a technique to maintain your customers, and Discord is doing exactly that. Now, I do want to point out, you might be thinking, is Discord actually giving us a 399% discount off our Discord Nitro subscription? No, I don't know what the discount is going to be. It's probably going to be like maybe 15 to 30%. Also, there's another thing that I'm unsure about, because this discounted subscription lasts for 1 month, but there's also a case where you get a 3-month discount. So I would assume if you buy Nitro monthly, then you'll get 1 month at a discounted rate, and if you buy Nitro yearly, then you'll get a 3-month discounted rate. But I do want to point out that this is an experimental feature. It's in development. Discord has not released this yet, so none of these details are set in stone. And no, little Timmy sitting there drooling at your screen as you think of a big brain idea. No, you will not be able to constantly cancel your Discord Nitro subscription and then claim the discount over and over and over again. Discord is neither generous nor stupid. So finally, we have a really good Discord feature, and it involves you logging into a banned account. Now, if we take a gander at Discord Experiment Hub, which I'll have linked in the description, they have a video of someone logging into a banned account. He enters in his credentials, and he locks in and clicks the login button. He's inside the mainframe. You've lost access to Discord. Review your violations to understand for how long and why. And you will see that your account is suspended. And when you click on one of these violations, it'll tell you what you did wrong and hopefully show you your message. But if it wasn't obvious, this really isn't complete. And if we take a look at Discord's support article about the Discord warning system, if we scroll down to suspensions, this is what Discord envisions the suspension page to look like. So you will be told that your account is suspended, and if you scroll down, you get to see all your active violations, what rules they broke, what server it is, and if you scroll down a little bit more, you can also see messages that particularly got you in trouble. This person's been pretty naughty. And just to make it clear, for Discord to actually suspend your account, you need to mess up a lot of times. Are you planning domestic terrorism on Discord? That's a warning. Asking an e-girl for a fart recording? Now that's a ban. Now, to be honest, having this built into Discord when you logged into your banned account is infinitely better than going to Discord's white page of doom and gloom and trying to submit an appeal. This page basically goes nowhere in this day and age. Now, to be honest, I kind of like being happy for once. I like talking about this good news. So before I get into all the bad news that people on Reddit are going to complain about, let's talk about Discord experiments that I'm actually going to enjoy. So the first experiment I'm going to talk about is actually an experiment update to the Quest experiment, which I talked about in this video here. But if we take a look at Discord previews, link in the description, this Quest feature got a little bit of an update because now there's these things that you put in chat. This was a quest, but something went wrong. And then we have this chat message here. Now, what are the point of these messages? Well, basically, when you paste in a link like discord.com/quest/the quest ID, then you will be able to share the Discord quest. And why do you want to do that? You really don't. It's like YouTubers asking you to share a video. It only benefits the creator. Discord wants you to share these quests with your friends so they get more people clicking on quests, so they get more quest of the quest money, of the quest gold. But that's not the good part about this quest. The thing that I'm actually excited about regarding these quests is that you'll see that there's this second line, publisher targeting. Game Publisher is trying to reach certain kinds of Discord users, and based on what you've told us or other information we've collected, we think you fit some of these groups. So that means that these Discord quests should ideally match what games you play or what communities you're in, which is a little bit of a privacy concern, but that's where I get into this third line that can either go in a really good direction or in a really bad direction. Because you can learn more about quests on Discord and how to manage your privacy settings. settings. You might be able to use your privacy settings to your advantage. The good way this could go is that you turn off your privacy settings and you don't get any quests being shoved down your throat, aka Discord advertising. The bad route is that if you turn off your privacy settings so that everything's anonymized, then Discord is just going to give you every single quest on the planet. Just more and more ads. And you already know what's going to happen. Those Vencord plugin developers, please make a plugin that blocks quests when these come out. I'll love you forever. I'll marry you. I'll give you a dowry. 5 goats, 3 cows, 2 chickens. Now, someone's actually going to try and marry me with that sentence. But Discord is working on an experimental feature that is called Per Guild Profile Effects and Avatar Decoration Experiment. And with this spicy Discord experiment, what it allows you to do is edit your server profile and set your own custom profile effect and avatar decoration for each Discord server. So again, this is exactly like changing your avatar for each Discord server, but it's with avatar decorations and profile effects. There's another experiment that Discord is working on, and it's called the Emoji Picker Upload Word Salad stuff. And when you enable this experiment, basically when you open up your emoji picker, it'll tell you at the top of the list to upload your own emoji to the server if you have the permissions to. So when you click on this, it's going to open up the emojis panel where you get to upload an emoji. Now, ladies and gentlemen, 108 octillion IQ. You know how this icon is a plus to upload an emoji. Why don't I just upload an emoji of the upload button? Oh, what's that? Now things are just completely... yeah, this is going to confuse people, and it's going to be funny. Alrighty, ladies and germs, happy time is over, and now we're on the sad depression arc of Discord making people upset. And the first thing that Discord is doing is they're increasing the price of Discord Nitro, and they're also removing the ability to buy Discord Nitro for certain currencies. If we take a look at Discord's localized pricing, on February 24th, they made a price adjustment to the Turkish pricing for Discord Nitro subscriptions. And why did they do that? Well, if you look at the Turkish lira to USD, you can see that this chart does what we call a not gamer move. The value of the currency is rapidly decreasing, and Discord doesn't want to lose money, so what has actually happened is that the price is now 1,049 liras for a whole entire year of Nitro. And if we look at the previous price back on September 28th of 2023, it used to be 749 Turkish liras. So that is quite a substantial price jump in terms of buying Discord Nitro. But the pain doesn't stop there. As of February 15th, 2024, Discord will not allow you to use the Argentinian peso. And why would Discord do something like that? Well, again, it's the same story. If you look at the currency conversion of the Argentine peso to the United States dollar, you can see there are two very not good gamer moves. The currency has plummeted. If it wasn't clear, things are not doing very well, so make sure to show our Turks and Argentinians some love. And the downward spiral of this week's Discord news keeps on continuing. The ever so exclusive Discord Partners community server is being blown up and being merged into the Discord admin community, which, if you didn't know, this Discord server is just for people that have like a big server and certain requirements. It's a waste of time. Actually, psych, the Discord partner community is not being merged because an announcement literally made like an hour ago is that the Discord partner server is now going to be locked in a read-only state. This minor change is going to annoy a whole bunch of Discord partners, because instead of those Discord partners having their own little server they can talk in, their exclusive community, now all those Discord partners who think they are better than everyone else can now only talk in the Discord admin server, which literally contains everyone from idiots like me who snuck in to even Discord scammers. And if you missed the Discord partner program, then just use Guilded's partner program. It's just that simple. What do you get? You get a hat, you get a shirt, a hoodie? Guys, let me tell you, Guilded's looking a lot more appealing here. Anyways, gamers, I'm gonna put on my exclusive McDonald's merch, aka my employee uniform, and stare at a wall for 8 hours. And then I'll come back and stare at my monitor for the rest of the day. Bye bye, I love you. Mwah!